Welcome to American Restored. There was a time when ordinary didn't mean forgettable. It meant familiar, dependable, and quietly trusted. Everyday life wasn't built to impress strangers or chase attention. The 1970s didn't care about trends, algorithms, or approval. Life wasn't filtered, optimized, or curated for an audience. It simply moved forward, one normal day at a time, without asking to be noticed. Homes were filled with habits and objects people never stopped to question, not because they were perfect, but because they worked. Things were used until they wore out, repaired until they couldn't be fixed anymore, and trusted without a second thought. There were no warning pop-ups, no endless instructions, and no debates about whether something would still be allowed in the future. And looking back now, many of those ordinary things from the 1970s would completely stun people today. 1. Public smoking in the 1970s. Smoking wasn't just common, it was everywhere. People smoked on airplanes, in offices, hospitals, restaurants, and even around children. Cigarette smoke filled waiting rooms, classrooms, and living spaces without anyone thinking twice about it. Ashtrays were built into armrests, desks, and furniture as if they were permanent fixtures of life. No one stepped outside, no one apologized, and no one questioned it. It wasn't rebellion or controversy. It was simply part of everyday life. 2. Seatbelts existed, but wearing them was optional and often ignored. Children rode in front seats, sometimes standing, sometimes lying down across the bench. There were no booster seats, no strict child safety laws, and no warning alarms reminding drivers what to do. Parents didn't feel irresponsible or careless, because this was just how families traveled at the time. Safety was something people thought about later, not something built into every moment. 3. Dangerous toys. Toys weren't designed with safety as the top priority. Metal parts, sharp edges, toxic paint, and real chemicals were common. Chemistry sets included substances you'd never allow near children today, and BB guns were normal gifts for kids barely in their teens. Toys weren't softened or simplified. Risk wasn't hidden or reduced. It was accepted as part of growing up and learning boundaries the hard way. 4. School discipline. Teachers carried unquestioned authority inside classrooms. Physical punishment in schools wasn't controversial or debated, it was policy. Parents rarely objected and often supported teachers when discipline was enforced. Rules were strict, consequences were immediate, and discussion was minimal. What would cause outrage and headlines today was considered routine and acceptable back then. 5. No privacy. Most homes had one phone and one television shared by everyone. Conversations were overheard, calls were shared, and personal space was limited. If someone answered the phone, everyone nearby listened. Doors stayed open, routines overlapped, and privacy wasn't something people expected. Life was lived out in the open, and most families never felt like they were missing anything. 6. Free-range kids. Children left home in the morning and returned when the streetlights came on. There were no GPS trackers, no constant check-ins, and no daily panic. Kids wandered neighborhoods, played for hours, and learned independence early. Neighbors watched loosely from a distance, and the world felt smaller, more familiar, and less controlled than it does today. 7. Repair culture. Things were repaired instead of replaced. Radios, shoes, toasters, furniture, all fixed again and again until they truly couldn't be saved. Throwing something away felt wasteful, almost disrespectful. Repairing it felt responsible and practical. Ownership meant taking care of what you had, not constantly upgrading to something new. 8. Limited TV. There were only a few television channels, and everyone watched the same shows at the same time. Families planned evenings around programs, because if you missed one, it was gone. There was no pause button, no rewind, and no binge watching. Television didn't adjust to your schedule. You adjusted your life around it. 9. Harsh chemicals. Household cleaning products were powerful and unforgiving. There were no child-proof caps, no long warning labels, and little guidance on safe use. People relied on common sense and experience, sometimes learning lessons the hard way. Safety wasn't written on the bottle, it was learned through trial and error. 10. Hospital smoking. Even doctors smoked. Hospitals had smoking sections, and waiting rooms often smelled like cigarettes. Patients, visitors, and medical staff all shared the same air. Medical knowledge hadn't fully caught up with habit yet, and the contradiction barely registered with most people at the time. 11. Drunk driving, drinking, and driving wasn't encouraged, but it also wasn't treated with the seriousness it carries today. Public awareness was low, laws were looser, and consequences weren't discussed openly. What is now considered a major crime was often brushed off as a mistake or bad judgment. 12. Teen work. Teenagers worked at a young age. Paper routes, gas stations, family businesses, work was part of growing up. It wasn't seen as pressure or exploitation, but as responsibility. Earning money early was considered a lesson in independence and character. 13. No warnings. Products didn't come with long explanations or safety disclaimers. You were expected to figure things out on your own. Instructions were brief, and responsibility rested with the user. If something went wrong, it wasn't blamed on the product. It was considered a personal mistake. 14. Unlocked doors. In many neighborhoods, doors were left unlocked. Not everywhere and not all the time, but often enough that locking up wasn't a constant habit. Trust still existed in everyday routines, and fear hadn't fully shaped daily life yet. 15. Slow life. There were no notifications, no endless scrolling, and no constant digital noise. People waited, listened, and noticed time passing. Days felt longer, conversations felt deeper, and moments weren't rushed. Life wasn't easier, but it moved at a pace people could actually feel. Final thoughts. None of these things were rare or special. They weren't collected or preserved. They were simply lived with, day after day, through work, childhood, routines, and ordinary moments no one ever thought to record. These weren't memories made for nostalgia. They were just life, happening quietly in the background. And today, when we look back, it isn't just the objects that shock us. It's how much the world itself has changed, how much has been replaced, regulated, and redesigned. If this video brought back a memory, like this video and subscribe to American Restored. It helps keep these forgotten stories alive. And let us know in the comments which one of these surprised you the most, or which one you remember living through.